Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play Bruises by Lewis Capaldi. So I'm going to teach you all the sections that you need to play the piano accompaniment for the whole song. Here on the screen now are all the sections and the order of the song. And the ones that are highlighted are the ones that we're going to go through today, and then the ones that aren't highlighted are just repeats of the other ones. So go see the full chord, song, lyric structure in the description below, so you can sort of piece it together and follow along. This is in the key of C sharp minor. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of C sharp minor. So these are the notes that we're going to be using, and these are the notes that the chords are going to be based around. So we're going to look at the first verse. So verse 1 and verse 2 are different from each other. So look at the chords in the right hand first. So I've really tried, and I feel that all the chords are accurate, so I'm going to teach you in the accurate inversions as well. So the first chord is a C sharp minor. So here is middle C on my piano, and C sharp minor is going to be G sharp, C sharp, and E. So this is C sharp minor second inversion. So you can hold that for 8 beats. And then we're going to come down and play an A, what's called an A sus2. So it's based around an A major chord, but you're going to play A, B, and E. So that's once. And then these two notes are going to stay the same, and you're going to slide your thumb up to G sharp to give us E major first inversion. So I'll just do that again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we go back to the C sharp minor again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to come up to, the chord is going to be a B9. So that's B, D sharp, and G sharp for 2 beats, and then we have the A sus into the E again. So that's the first half of the verse. I'll just run through that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the second half of the first verse, you're going to play the C sharp minor again for 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to come up to an inversion of G sharp minor. So it's the same way you played the B9. But when we come to do the left hand, we'll just play G sharp with it instead of a B. So that's for 2 beats. And then we have the A to the E again, but this time it's a full A chord. So it's not the suspended chord anymore. It's A, C sharp, and E. And the last little bit, back to C sharp minor. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we're going to come to a type of B chord, so it's a B, D sharp, and E for 2 beats, and then to the A, E. So I'll just run through the second half of that again, and then I'll play it all the way through the verse. So to C sharp minor, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the left hand is just going to be following the root notes of all those chords. We play single notes to begin with. C sharp, E. So C sharp, A, E, C sharp, B, G sharp. So they're all the notes that you need. So whenever you play like a C sharp minor in the right hand you'll play a C sharp in the left hand, and then like an A, etc. So I'm just going to play hands together the whole of the first verse. So that's the first verse covered. Now let's have a look at the next section in the song, which is the pre-chorus. This pre-chorus is the exact same as the second pre-chorus. So it's all the same chords, pretty much. So I'm going to do it in both hands. So we've got A major, root position triad. With the A in the bass, you're going to hold that for 8 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then slide your thumb up to the C sharp minor for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have a B major chord inversion, which is F sharp, B, and D sharp, with obviously a B in the bass. That's for 4 beats as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have that A sus chord again for 8 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the C sharp minor again for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then G sharp minor for 4 beats in the root position, which is G sharp, B, and D sharp. And that's the pre-chorus done. So I'll just play that section all the way through. And then it's into the chorus. So if you think of the chords in the chorus, we've got like pairs of chords. So we've got an A to a C sharp minor, and then G sharp minor to A. And then we have the B major to C sharp minor. And then lastly we have G sharp minor to A again. So all chords we've already done. So the first chorus is exactly the same as the second chorus. It's also the same as the last chorus, but you just play it twice. So that's the chorus covered. Now we're going to have a look at the second verse. So it's a bit different than the first verse. So the chord progression, again, all chords that we've already covered. So I'm just going to play it through. So we've got C sharp minor for 6 beats, and then the B major chord for 2 beats, and then the A major into the E major. And then that whole progression repeats one more time. So C sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then after the second verse, it's the pre-chorus, which we've already covered, and then the chorus, which we've already covered. So now we're on to the bridge section where he's oohing, so he's going ooh, 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 ooh. So the chords are exactly the same as the chorus. A, C sharp, minor, G sharp minor to A. Then you can start to use octaves if you can in the left hand now. So then the B to the C sharp minor, and then G sharp minor to A. So the bridge, the first part of the bridge section is just the same as the chorus, Then the second part plays some much higher notes. So I'm actually going to have to move my camera higher up. So this part, we're going to come up to a new chord, which is an version of F sharp minor. So here is middle C, and you're going to play A above middle C, C sharp, F sharp. Then you'll just play an F sharp in the bass as well. So you're going to hold that for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then E major inversion, how we've been playing it so far. So G sharp, B, and E for 4 beats. And then we have C sharp minor again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the B major chord, how we've been playing it so far. Then all of that repeats again. F sharp minor, E major, C sharp minor, B major. And then it goes back to the, so back down an octave, so from the A to the C sharp, so back to the chorus, and then G sharp minor A. So I'm going to try playing that bridge all the way through for you now. And then it's into the second chorus, which is exactly the same as the first chorus, but you just play the whole thing through a second time. So now we're going to have a look at the very last section, which is the outro. So I've moved my camera up even higher, because this is the highest note that we're going to play in the outro section. So again, here is middle C for reference. So it's almost 2 octaves above middle C. So we're going to look at the right hand first. So the right hand's going to start on this F sharp. It's going to go F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, C sharp, B, C sharp, G sharp. So like this. And then the next bit goes F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, C sharp, B, B, C sharp. And then the next bit, we're going to go F sharp, G sharp, B, G sharp, F sharp, E, D sharp, G sharp. So like this. And then the very last bit, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, C sharp, B, D sharp, C sharp. So like this. So I'll just run through that whole right hand of the outro again. So now you're going to have to play the chords in your left hand. So again, it's very similar to for the chords in the chorus. If you play it in the same place, so around middle C. So we have A major to C sharp minor. And then we have this extra chord, which is a B9 chord. So you're going to play F sharp, B, C sharp and G sharp. Like that. And then we have the G sharp minor to A major. Then you'll play the A major chord again. And then we have that B major chord to C sharp minor. And then we have that B9 chord again. And then G sharp minor to A major. And then that's the end chord. So I'll just run through that left hand again, and then I'll show you how to put that last bit together. Okay, so I'm going to slowly put it hands together. So that concludes all of the sections that you're going to need to play the whole song. Again, go see the description for the full chord song lyric structure. So I hope this video has been useful and that you have enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you have. If you haven't subscribed to Bitesize Piano already, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. If you can't find what you're looking for on my channel, you can go and submit a piano tutorial request following the link in the comment section below. I've done quite a few Lewis Capaldi tutorials now, so I've linked them on the screen. So go and check those out if you haven't already. So I hope to see you in future videos. Bye bye!